William, are you supposed to have sucker before or after your chiropractic adjustment?
Chiropractic.
Yeah, chiropractor, we have it after. Are you going to climb up and get ready for your adjustment? Okay.
My Dr. Casey.
Dr. Casey? What's Dr. Casey going to do?
Dr.
All right, William, you climb up there all by yourself and ready for your adjustment.
Lay down.
Lay down for your adjustment.
Tall. Tall.
Is Dr. Casey tall?
You're tall.
Oh, William's getting tall. Yes, you are. That's why you were able to climb up by yourself. Oh, you have a straw. Now Mommy understands. You have so many things to say. What's Dr. Casey going to do?
Dr. You.
How will he adjust you?
My heart.
Is he going to adjust your knees? Where is he going to adjust? Can you show me? Point to where he'll adjust. Oh, that's right. He'll push there. Are you thinking about it?
Doctor.
Oh, yeah. He'll do your back and your neck. That's true. Yeah, your neck.